Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair tutorial. This is going to be 8 to 10 easy and quick curly hairstyles for natural hair. Type 4, type 3, type 4 A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And I'm going to show you guys how I actually maintain my hairstyles throughout each transition. So I'm starting with this dusty hair, okay? The first thing that I'm going to use is water, and then my shine and jam for easy manipulation, and then for my edges to be sleek and in place, I'm going to use the style booster. So this is like the quick hair maintenance, because anytime that you're going to style your hair, I want to show you guys that you have to use a conditioner. This is by this is the Black Vanilla Leave-In Curling Cream from, what is this company called? Carol's Daughter. Yeah, that's it. So I always manipulate my hair or style my hair when it's wet. That is how I was able to grow my hair like almost waist length. And so I'm just doing a light detangle. And when I tell you this stuff really works, I was really surprised for the Black Vanilla. At first it felt like it just didn't work, but look how much slip I have. Like, I haven't even used any gels or anything. So I'm also going to double back and use the Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just finally using all the hair products that I spent so much money on, okay? So for style number 1, I'm just going to do an easy rubber band braided hairstyle, because so many of you guys have watched my previous 10 curly hairstyles video and you guys were like, listen, we don't know how to twist, we don't know how to braid. So I said, I got you girl. And so this jam really puts your hair in place without it being too stuck where it is, so that you can easily manipulate it. So for this style, I'm just going to just twist these to kind of keep them out of the way, and then, you know, go along with the hairstyle. And I also did detangle the back. That's why it looks way more moisturized. My hair dries up like a desert, so that's why I kind of shrunk back up after I used the first conditioner. But it is not dry, I promise you. It just looks crusty because the shrink is real. So I'm just tying each one back with a rubber band, and then that's how I do like the braid illusion. And so to cover up those rubber bands, I just use some little gems from the dollar store or whatever. But if you don't want to have these on, you can totally do it with just the rubber bands. It still looks like a nice style, especially once I finish and put the bun in place. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far without the edge control, but I prefer my edges being like laid, because it does look like I actually tried to do my hair a little better. So this is the baby hairs, and I just think that the style looks a little bit more jazzy with, you know, your edges being laid. So yeah, that's it for the first style. Easy, quick, and appropriate for all occasions. Okay, so for this next style, I'm going to transition on to the next. So I do have 6 sections, box sections at that, like little cubes. So I decided to leave the back completely stretched out in those rubber bands, because I feel like I get more length that way. This is sort of a hack, because the back of my hair shrinks up like crazy. So now it looks like it's longer and I have more body. So I'm just going to put the second row on top of the first row, and it'll cover up the rubber bands. So with the top, I said I could do like a little headband, you know, homemade headband, girl. I'm just gonna customize it like that and wear it as like a twisted crown, half updo, back down type of hairstyle. So you'll see how I configured this out, but I just want to show you guys that hack for the bottom of your hair if you want to elongate your curls without having to put heat on there to stretch your curls.